What's the meaning of cross-refer? Cross-refer. Cross-refer.
Cross-refer. Cross-refer. Cross-refer is a term used in reference to the act of referring or directing someone to another source, usually within the same document or between different documents or sources, for additional or related information on a specific topic. It involves making a reference to another section, chapter, page, or external source where more information can be found. When information is cross-referenced, it allows readers to easily navigate and access relevant information without duplicating content. It helps in providing comprehensive and interconnected information by indicating connections or relationships between different sections, topics, or sources. In written materials such as books, reports, or articles, cross-references are typically indicated by using specific markers like page numbers, section headings, footnotes, or hyperlinks in digital formats. By following these references, readers can access supplementary or related information that enhances their understanding of the subject matter. Cross-referencing is commonly used in academic, technical, and legal documents to provide thorough and efficient information retrieval and research support.